everybody. Yes, it's Monday. Oh my goodness. The 13th of September. Let's see, it means there's 2 more Mondays. There'll be the 20th and the 27th. So, well, we got 2.5 weeks left in this month. Let's see what's going on so far. Yeah, we didn't list many homes this weekend. And I'm going to do a quick check on my audio. Just hang on, everybody. Yeah, it's working. Okay, it's working. Yeah, we only listed 15 homes, and 9 of them were single family, and they were all under 400,000. That's the only good news I see. We have 27 days of inventory. I guess that's good, but 640 of them are under 400,000. So 640 of the homes, the 2,446, only 640 of them are under 400,000. There's 447 that are above $1 million. So that means the remainder is between 400 and $1 million. So that seems to be the majority of our market. Isn't that amazing? We're still selling $4 million homes a day. And I did some things today I want to show you, because the median price of 407, and I talked to Jimmy Dague about it the other day, and I said, the problem is it includes the $1 million homes. And now that we're selling so many, it has to be impacting that number. So you know me, I went and I found out. So let's go up here. Let me put that back down. Let's hide that. Let me put myself down here. Okay, so here's what happens. If you look at all single family homes in all price ranges, okay, this includes the $1 million homes. This includes $20 million homes. So what it does, it adjusts, like so far in September, it's adjusted it to 409,000, the median. Now, I only do single family homes. I don't do condos. I don't do townhomes. I don't do high rises. So when you look at, let's put this one up. Now, again, this is all the homes in all price ranges. When you look at homes that are under $1 million, our median price is 400. And that's what I believe is to be the truth. So there we go. So let me hide this. Let me put this back up here. Go away. Okay. So if you look down here, I did put that on the chart. I said under 1 million, it's a 400,000 median. So that makes me feel a little better, because I don't want to price ourselves out of the market. When I look at these listings, and then I look at one under contract, I don't know, there's no closings because of Saturday and Sunday, but it'll be interesting to see what happens to the median price home. Hi, good morning, Frank. Good morning. And good morning to you, whoever you are. Thank you for joining me today. I appreciate that. I love comments. I love likes. I love comments and questions and things like that. You want my opinion on things? I probably at my age have lots of those. Okay. All right.